Hello student, 10th class, welcome to 9th chapter number 9. Today we study the chapter number 9. Okay. Now, what are the means of chapter? First we sum here chapters of a related theory understanding. This chapter here related to your 8th chapter. We applications of our life, engineering life in a year in this chapter. Name of a chapter, some application and trigonometry. So last year chapter number 8 we study of a trigonometry, but here which types of a use of a trigonometry in our life in this chapter here explanations. So your class is 10th class, subject your math. Okay, and chapter number 9. Directly solve the exercise 9.1. Understanding point here explained here between a circle. First question, artist climbing a 20-meter long a rope which is the here tightly straight and tied from the top of vertical pole or ground. First we draw to a diagram. In this chapter all the questions we are study very carefully and understanding in your mind, your language, and draw to your graph. Find the height of pole. Next here find the height of pole. If the angle of a made of rope with a ground level is 30 degree. Okay. They are given a artist a rope, tightly rope, a pole of AB, suppose pole of AB and AC is a rope. The make of a angle, last one given 30 degree, okay, and 20 meter long a rope. So which of a rope? If the AB pole, the rope is this, AC is a rope, okay. A man of a here continuously here climbing this rope 20 meter long. We are find the height of pole. Which of pole? AB your pole. We find the height of pole. Okay. Show here diagram. Given a angle and two sides, a side and find another side, means two sides. We find the here which side of a which of it say the 30 angle, 30 against angle is perpendicular. It is the 90 because made of a 90 degree pole as a ground. 90 opposite side is called by hypotenuse. It is the base. Okay, base no relation of these chapters. So we are only relation between P and H. So we write by here formula relation between perpendicular and height. So P upon H, it is the formula. So P upon H, which formula? Sin theta. Sin theta is P upon H. In this chapter maximum use of a sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Tan theta very important formula, perpendicular upon base, use of a maximum time of it in this chapter. In this question use of here perpendicular and height. Okay, so which of a find? We find the height, and what is the given the hypotenuse. So our relation between P and H, P upon H is sin theta. Okay, we substitute the all the value. It is the theta. Theta means angle, sin 30. Perpendicular we suppose height H, and AC is 20 meter long a rope. Value of sin theta, sin 30, 1 upon 2, H upon 20. Okay, now we multiply, cross multiply, 2H equal to 20, H equal to 20 upon 2. So your height, pole of a height is 20 meter. Okay, this type question is solving and very easy question. Next question here question number 2. A tree broken due to storm and broken parts of a here bend so that the top of tree touch a ground make of a 30 degree. Suppose a tree broken here this part. Okay, A part here broken and touch of a C part. It is the A part. It is the C dash part. Okay, C dash. Assume here. So B C dash up tree broken, then the part of A, broken part A and touch of a C part, C point, and make of a angle, given angle, make of a angle is 30 degree as a ground. So rewrite by 30 degree as a ground. Okay, the distance between foot tree point of a top of touch is 8 meter. Distance between here given 8 meter. Find the height of tree. Okay, now we find the height of tree. Which of a height of a tree? The total you find here this distance. So C dash A equal to AC, because broken part of here touch. So first we find out which part of a given and which part of find out. If the theta is 30 degree, then perpendicular, it is the hypotenuse, it is the base. Okay, so first we find relation between P and B, and second we find relation between P and H. Okay, so we find here first perpendicular, then find hypotenuse, addition of a both, we find the height of tree. We apply the formula here. First perpendicular upon base. The perpendicular upon base formula tan theta perpendicular upon base. Tan theta means there 30 degree. Perpendicular here AB. Okay, suppose here height AB and base your 8. So tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3. AB upon 8. Cross multiply 8 root 3 AB. So you find the AB equal to 8 upon root 3. First equation you find. Okay, now we find here AC. So which of a formula use? Base and hypotenuse. Okay, we are know base and hypotenuse. What is the base upon hypotenuse? The formula here cos theta. Okay, cos theta means there 30 degree. Base given 8 and hypotenuse you do not find, it is the AC. Cos 30, what is the value of cos 30? Root 3 upon 2, 8 upon AC. Cross multiply root 3 AC equal to 16. AC equal to 16 upon root 3. Okay, we find the height of tree. It is the second equation. The height of tree there total BC dash. You write by AB plus AC dash. AB, what is the value of AB? 8 upon root 3. And AC dash equal to AC, because broken part. AC dash or AC. So right, we are value of AC 16 upon root 3. We addition for both terms, 8 plus 24 upon root 3. Okay, it is the answer, but there upon root 3 we do the answer is do not here upon root 3, then you are solving again. We multiply root 3 numerator and denominator both. So you are find out 24 root 3 upon 3. 3 8 ja 8 root 3 meter. It is the height of tree. Okay, now here second answer is completed. Next video is solving the next question. Very important chapter.